What is the next trend in artificial intelligence after the hype of ChatGPT and agentic AI, which is currently in the news? This is a question I get asked very often recently. My name is Axel Angeli. I'm a cybernetician and I dedicate my time and my research in finding artificial intelligence solutions for industries. So my prediction for the next hype is cognitive industries. Cognitive industries add artificial intelligence to the model of Industries 4.0, where you already have data, smart factories that map their data into a digital twin. And now you're going to add artificial intelligence to allow processing this data to have autonomous, self-learning, self-monitoring, self-optimizing factories. Such cognitive cyber factories, that is the future trend in industries. And industries, that is the place where the real money is created everywhere. And this is not only for shop floors, for manufacturing production. You will also see this in hospitals when you have cognitive robots doing examination and surgery under the supervision of the medical doctor, and you might have it in teaching when you have cognitive AI models that assist a learner in learning better. So learning together with the AI will be one of the cognitive experience very soon. If you want to imagine how a cognitive factory looks like, just imagine a self-driving car, because that is basically already a cognitive factory that makes decisions by an artificial intelligence based on real world data. So what we are going to do now is we are building now world models that allow us mapping the physical assets into a digital twin and allow the digital twin map them back to this physical assets via actuators, via small robotic agents that execute agentic tasks. So the prediction is next trend, cognitive industries, cognitive cyber factories. Take my word, stay tuned.